Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm here in my mini quail farm guys in Barangay Talon-Talon, Zamboanga City. I have here 380 heads including male. The one you hear the sound, that's a male quail. You hear that? And my mini farm is a simple pitch only. Then I only use wire for safety for the predator. You can see here my style, how I build my cage. All of them I put safety door so that they cannot go inside the predator guys to eat the bird and to eat the egg. You hear that? That's a male quail bird. That's only for today guys. God bless and happy New Year to all. Bye bye.